Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi adapter in your PC. First, locate an open USB port on your desktop or laptop. Gently but firmly insert your new Wi-Fi adapter into this port. You should feel it click into place, ensuring a secure physical connection. This initial step is crucial for your computer to recognize the device and begin the setup process. Once connected, your operating system, especially Windows, will often automatically detect and install the necessary drivers. If it doesn't, check for an installation CD that came with your adapter. Alternatively, visit the manufacturer's official website to download the latest drivers. Run the installer and follow the simple on-screen instructions to get everything set up correctly. With the drivers installed, look for the network icon, usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click it to open the list of available wireless networks. Find your home or office network name, select it, and then click Connect. You'll then be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password or security key. Type it in carefully and confirm to establish your connection. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of both your computer and your router can often resolve minor glitches. Also, remember to periodically check for updated drivers on the manufacturer's website to ensure optimal performance and security for your adapter. Keeping your drivers current can significantly improve your wireless experience. For more great tips and product recommendations, including a link to an excellent e-reader, be sure to check out the description below this video for other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.